In the age of innovation, new solutions can be built on top of existing technologies faster than ever before. Welcome what's next. Locator, the most trusted abutment for removable overdentures, now offers a fixed snap-on solution that is removable only by the clinician using the same abutment. If you currently offer overdentures, the transition to Locator Fixed is seamless. If you're new to overdentures or fixed treatment plans, the move to offering full arch solutions is easier than you think. Locator Fixed housings are engineered to have higher bond strength to the prosthesis, while maintaining the same pickup method in prosthetic space needed as existing Locator removable housings. This is a breakthrough in dentistry that has only been made possible through the technology conceived and created by Zest Dental. Ultra precision engineered proprietary Locator Fixed inserts are made of a rigid material and are designed to match the exact geometry of our Locator Fixed housing and our Locator abutment to create the interaction needed in the system to perform as a fixed full arch solution. Locator Abutment. Build on what you already know and trust in your practice. Locator. Zest Locator Fixed delivers a fixed full arch solution using existing Locator abutments. A flexible and accessible fixed full arch solution, Locator Fixed also enables staged treatment planning, increased case acceptance and quality of life, reduced chair time, less bone reduction. Give your patients the life they had with their permanent teeth with a less invasive and less expensive solution. A proven alternative to the discomfort and pain associated with conventional dentures that feels like permanent teeth. Disruptive innovation describes a process by which a product or service initially takes root in simple applications, and by being less expensive and more accessible, Locator Fixed is the financially affordable answer to your edentulous patient's self-confidence, self-esteem, health, and overall quality of life.